Hi, welcome to the Explore Atlassian Confluence series of training. Today is day 3. I would like to show you how to create a Confluence workspace for your project. Okay, let's get started. Open the browser and access into the Confluence. On the top menus, you see that we have a space hyperlink here. Go ahead to click on the space drop down. You can see we have a view on spaces. Click on this one. It will navigate you to the spaces where you can see your space and also another space below. On the right hand side, we have the career space button on the top. Click on that button. A new pop-up will appear. A space is home for all your content. You can create as many spaces you like and use them for the team, project, and department within the company. In this way, you are able to do some the adding the documentation, file, photo to the space using the basis and keep them organized in a hierarchy. Use the blog on the space to share the news and make an announcement. Click on create button. It will direct you to a pop-up. It will list out 6 items: blank page, documentation, software, project space, personal space, knowledge space, team space. Yeah. And so now in this video today, we will go ahead to create one by one. The first one is the blank space. You can see the small description here. It says that we will start by creating the space with a blank space. Click on this one, next button. And you have to enter the name for the working space, blank space setting. By select this one, you will start with a blank space and customize it for the project, team, department, or company. You can add content using basis and keep them organized in a hierarchy. Click on Create button to create a new blank space for your project. Yeah, this is the default blank space. It is very simple. We have to test the left navigation, overview, log, space setting, add shortcut to another system. Basis, the home page is only contain the title, the tooltip, and some other information below. Of course, you are able to do some editing by update the content on this overview page by click on the pencil icon for editing here, and then go ahead to enter and update the content on this page. After you have any update, you click on publish button on the top. Otherwise, you click on close button to close the editing mode. Log, nothing in the blog for now. Space setting, pages. For now, we have only overview page in this space. Space setting, yeah. I will go ahead to add a new space. About us, page. He everyone my, and then click on publish button to publish this pages and its content. It will be displayed the about us page in the content tree on the left hand side. You can add some comment here. Testing comment. Set it up. Yeah, one comment like this page. Align. Okay. So I will back to the space and I will create other space for my project. Create space. I will select the option number 2, documentation. This template will be support me to create a new space with some the default configuration for creating and managing technical documentation for my product. Click on next button and enter the space name, space testing. Copy this one So you can see on the right hand side, this is about documentation spaces. Create, manage, and collaborate on technical documentation. The documentation space feature a structure page tree that make navigating content easily. Okay, create button. You take a look into this default space here. There are some the difference between the upline and also the documentation space. The first one in the homepage overview. Yeah, it adding some the search box here and the feature basis recently updated information. Yeah, and on the navigation, we have some page here getting started, making a template and how to create a new template, space setting, yeah, and also add shortcut. You can go ahead to add some spaces here. The same thing, and with this for the blank space. Okay, back to the space, view on space, and I will create another spaces for software project space. This we have to capture the meeting notes and check the decision. Okay, like when create a Confluence space by using the software project space templates, it requires we already have a project created in the Jira system. And because for now we don't have any project created in the Jira system, so now I will temporarily close this one and select other option, create and personal space. It will keep the note, task list, and other content organized. Chiến Vũ, careers. Yeah, the layout will be different. You can add some page, edit the content, and also even delete the content as well. Okay. Yeah, requirement view. Go to space again, and then create. Select the no list by option. KB setting. Copy. For the knowledge base, it will share the knowledge and best practice internally with a team or organization. You with the help desk solution to address common requests. Create. The template is not much difference with the other before. We can edit it by click on the pencil icon, add some more pages, space setting, blog overview. Okay, the same thing with other option. Let me create the last one, space view on space, space view on space, and create space button. I will select team space. Like I will have a Chiến Viết team. You add a team member, Chiến Vũ, and also other member, Chiến. Okay, we don't have member added into this space, so we cannot search the member name here. For the team space, we are able to do some sharing knowledge and collaborate on project processes, procedures with our team. They will be notified about this space and on update. Team member will be grant permission and add a watcher of the space. Okay. Okay, it will have the team member here and some the team member information. It did not make difference. Blog, space setting, shortcut, and also pages. Okay, the same. We don't have, many difference. And here actually is when we create any new space for the project. Basically, we have some templates will be ready for you to select it. Yeah, of course, when you select any templates, you have to provide some of the necessary information based on the request from the system. Otherwise, if you don't provide the enough information for the request, so you cannot create the project. I mean, you cannot create the Confluent project for the team. Even if you are select any templates for creating a new space for the project, some of the activity it would be the same, and of course you can do some of the setting and configuration for all of the spaces the same for all of the templates. We are able to edit, delete, update, and also invite the teammate to the working space for all of the templates. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.